Wandera. I am Donna, and these is my daughter Naomi and my granddaughter Anna May. So today I'm going to teach you how to say I, you, we, and you all. Ngayu means I, Nhundu means you, and Nganhthaan means we. Yurra means you all. I am Donna.
Track the word as I speak.
Ngayu, Donna. Ngayu is I. Say nga. Say ngayu. Say ngayu. Say ngayu. Say to your partner who you are. You are Naomi.
Track the word as I speak.
Nhundu Naomi. Nhundu is you. Say nun. Say nhundu. Say nhundu. Say nhundu. Say who your partner is. We are Anna, sit up Anna, Donna, Naomi. Nganhthaan, Anna, Donna, Naomi. Nganhthaan is we. Say ngan, say Nganhthaan. Say Nganhthaan. Say Nganhthaan. Say Nganhthaan. Say to your partner, who makes up your family? You are a Guugu Yimithirr class. Yurra Guugu Yimithirr class. Yurra is you all. Say you. Say Yurra. Say Yurra. Say Yurra. Say Yurra. Say to your partner, who makes up their family? Let's read the words we need to remember. Ngayu I, Nhundu You, Nganhthaan We, Yurra all. This is the end of the lesson, so it's time to say goodbye. Namagara.